Now let me show you how our lookups in action works, how you look up how many pounds different foods are that you might consume and activities that you have. First, look at the top of the screenshot to the side, and you see that you have an option at the top, offer me suggestions, in which case the program will give you possibilities for the item that you entered. We have our program set for the offer suggestions. So when I enter pizza, it gives me a number of different opportunities to select pizza, freeform, supreme pizza, cheese pizza, pepperoni pizza. I'm going to select pepperoni pizza. And you see here, I'm saying to the machine, I eat 6 slices 6 times a month, and that equals 38.6 pounds a year. So if I were to stop eating pizza, I would lose 38.6 pounds a year. And we color code your selections. This is in red because it's more than 30 pounds. If it were in the 20s, it would be colored in orange. 11 to 20 is yellow, and then below that is green and blue. Your poisons are the red ones, and the orange ones, and the yellow ones. I went and compiled everything I ate for breakfast and snacks for 1 month, just to show you how this works. So I walk 3 miles an hour, 45 minutes every day, except I'm on the God's plan, which is only 6 days a week, so I only do it 25 days a month. And that helps me keep off 21.2 pounds. But I have lox and cream cheese, 4 ounces of lox, 4 tablespoons of cream cheese, half of the time, 15 times a month. The lox is 6.8 pounds, not too bad. The cream cheese is 10.5. And then 7 times a month I have a burrito, that's 10.4. So far nothing all that terrible. And finally I have a cheese omelet, 3-egg omelet, 8 times a month, that's 11.2 pounds. Where I run into problems is with my snacks. I have a bag of M&Ms every day, which is 26.1 pounds. Lastly, I eat 6 slices of pepperoni pizza 6 times a month. That's 38.6 pounds. If I add the 38.6 for the pizza to the 26.1 for the M&Ms, it comes up to 74.7 pounds. So if I would stop eating those two, I would be a mere shadow of myself. Now let's look at the activity lookup function. Here we type in our activity that we do, walking. I just have to type in W and A, and it gives me some suggestions, and I'm going to choose that I walk 3 miles an hour, as I mentioned before. On the next slide, you see at the bottom that it has my accurate weight, which I changed when I registered to 218, and I enter how many minutes per session or per workout. I walk 45 minutes, and since I'm on God's plan, I do it every day, except using God's plan it would only be 25 times per month. And it says that that activity at my weight is 21 pounds. So if I were to stop walking, I would gain 21 pounds. You notice on the screen to the right of the 45 minutes there's a little drop down caret, and you can click on that and change the units. Here we'll change it from minutes to hours. On the food module you can change from cups to ounces to tablespoons, but let's try this with the activities. I'm going to head and click it and change it to hours, and then we'll change the number. And you can see 3/4 of an hour, 25 times a month, and again it's that 21 pound figure. So you can change the units. That's how flexible the system is.